manual food processor from Xylus is a quick and easy way to chop, mix, and blend food. The processor has a 3-cup capacity bowl to prep larger quantities and features a non-slip silicone base for safety and a better grip. To use, simply fit the booster arm onto the blade and insert into the base. Then, place your ingredients into the bowl. Place the lid on top and pull the ring to the side. This activates the chopping. Once you have finished your food preparation, the blades and the base can go directly into the dishwasher. Wipe the lid clean under hot tap. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or dips, the Easy Pull food processor is quick, easy to use, and leaves little mess. It is the ultimate food preparation tool.